This is a 2011 Dodge Ram 1500, and we'll be replacing the rear shocks. So let's get to it. So in order to replace the rear shock, which is located right here, as you can see, first thing we'll do is, using a number 19mm socket and our impact gun, we're going to remove the 5 lug nuts holding the tire in place. Once we've done that, with a number 8 socket, we're going to remove a total of 12 bolts, 2 of which are here and 10 all the way around, in order to remove this wheel cover. Once we do that, it'll expose the 21mm bolt and nut directly behind here, basically the opposite end of this one here, 21mm socket and a 21mm wrench on the other end. So let's get this cover out the way, and then we'll start removing the shock. So after a little time working that nut in the back of the bolt there, I was able to get this shock out, and then I went ahead and slid the new one in, like so. So, you know, I put the 21mm wrench on the other one end, and then the impact on this end, just loosened it up, pulled it out. Same thing with up here, except I had to use something a little different to hold this nut. I had to use one of these tools, just a little type of socket go on your ratchet, just to hold it because of the angle it's at and how big my wrench was. So you can also use a stanchion with a deep socket all the way down if you'd like. So I'm just gonna use one of these and tighten these back down my impact, and we'll be pretty much done with this. So I got my bolts tightened down, top and bottom. Now I'm gonna go ahead and throw my cover back in there and get my wheel back on, tighten it back down my impact gun, and we're pretty much done. So thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe. More videos to come. Not gonna really show the other end just because it's gonna be the same concept. The only thing different is the gas tank won't be blocking my view as much back here, so it'll be a little bit easier. So thanks for watching, y'all. Please like and subscribe. More videos to come.